Rain hitting that window like a heartbeat crack. Simone in the shadows trying to hold back why. Marcus and voice low. Girl, I feel the same, but the thunder outside whispering both their names. She said, if you choose me, you'll lose everything. He said, what's a king, don't work without a queen. Lightning flash, their hands almost meet. Love so wrong, but the pull so deep. In the rhythm of the rain, we want what we can't explain.
If you enjoyed this video, it would mean so much to me if you could like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support not only inspires me, but also helps me create more content that I hope you will love. Thank you.
Torn between vows and the love he craves, trying to choose a life he can't embrace.
Cheers, and I wish you all the best as well. I look forward to our next time together.